Hey everybody, Dead Petty here. I'm just gonna quickly show you how to join the multi-session streaming as well as stream your own game if you're interested or if you are being challenged like I am. So come into your Discord here, and you might be in the Pinball Fun or any of the other channels here, and all you want to do is if you see someone in here and it'll say live, you just join the voice channel and then click on the person who you want to view if I were live, and then just say join stream, and you'll see everybody who's streaming will come up in this window right here. It will be boxed out, the boxes will get smaller, and there will be a bunch of people in here. If you only want to see the people who have their videos up in this window, if there's a bunch of people in here but you only want to see the videos, come up here and click this button, and anybody who's not streaming will go away and you'll only see the stream people. If you want to focus on a particular person, click on this button and it'll bring up the one person, and then you'll have a whole list of everybody else who's streaming over here, and you can just click through them and pick whoever you want to focus on. If you want to go back to watching everybody, click on this button right here again and it'll bring back everybody up. If you wanted to stream and you have Pinball FX open already, you'll see this little thing down here. It says Pinball FX 3. You just click on this, stream Pinball FX 3. It'll ask you how you want to do it. It'll ask you what channel. You just click go live. Boom, you're live. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Pretty self-explanatory once you get the clicking around in there. Have a wonderful day.